Hi there and welcome back to my channel, Ava's Luxury for Less. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I update my cupboard and also how I went about and cleaning my room. So don't forget to click on the subscription button and also the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. So without further ado, let's get making. So this is what my bedroom looks like at the moment. I actually DIY'd most of the stuff. The curtains I did myself, the hanging shelf and the bedside lamps I DIY'd those. I made the mirror, the makeup table, and also I just redid my cupboards. And then this is what it actually looks like after I finished doing everything. So here I am just trying to get the shelves that I was hanging from the wall where my cupboard was before. Well, not my cupboard, I had a hanging rail there, but it didn't look really well, so I had to remove it. One of the brackets, it was on really well, so it took me a while to get it off, but in the end I did get it off. There you see me trying to hold the rail just back and forth, trying to loosen it a bit. It was in really well. After this I decided, okay, I'll just give it a break. I just went ahead and get my broom and my brush pan and then just come back and just start sweeping the wall, because the hanging rail that was there, that was holding my clothes, it it was there for a while and I didn't do any cleaning behind there, so there was lots of cobwebs and stuff. So I just used my broom and just went ahead and just cleaned up everywhere, and then all the debris that was falling on the floor, I just used my broom to just sweep it away. Now this is where I start bringing back the sections of my cupboard. They were in my attic, so I asked my niece to help me to take them down, and then I'm just bringing in the first side of the cupboard. It's really heavy and I'm trying not to let it fall over on me. Oh, you can see. And then also just trying to put it on the side so I have it in place before I bring the other bit in. So here I am bringing in the other side of the cupboard. As I said before, it's really heavy, so I'm just trying to balance it so it doesn't fall over on me as what the first one was doing. So here I go again, trying to get the frame out before I put the cupboard up again. But it's taking a while, so I just went ahead with my hammer and just start whacking it. I'm sorry, but I had a good time. And look, I eventually took it out. So I was quite happy, and I was able to start putting my cupboard back together again. This is what my cupboard looks like after I put it back together. I originally got this cupboard from IKEA when I moved here in 2015. Now I am going ahead and then just start using the marble paper just to put it on the side so it gives it a different look other than the brown and blue. I actually got those marble paper from the Wilko in Edmonton Green. They were $4.99. It's quite cheap. They tend to run out of this particular pattern quite easily because it's quite popular. At the moment, it's really popular. So there I'm using my little coaster holder. It's really good. So I'm using my coaster holder just to take the air bubbles out of the wrapping paper while I put it on the cupboard. Now you don't have to use this same marble paper. There's other patterns that you can use as well. I actually used a black pattern for my kitchen, but because I didn't want my bedroom to look all black, I just went ahead and used this one. So there I am. I finished putting it on the side. So I'm just going back again and just trying to get some more of the air bubbles out so it doesn't look bloated after I finish. I want it to look smooth and nice as if it's marble. So after done, I need to trim the areas. So at first I decided I want to trim it, but then I opened the cupboard door and decided, okay, I'll just tuck them in and it would look a lot more neater. Now, for me, I only put the contact paper on the outside of the cupboard. sometime in the future I will go inside and then I'll do a video of it, and then I want to put maybe some white paper inside just to make it look as one. But for the moment I only did the outside with the contact paper. But as I said, if you want to use the contact paper inside, it's totally up to you, but this is just my preference. As you can see, I did went ahead and put a handle on the door. Actually, I got 4 of those at Home Bargain for $4.99. They're quite nice. I'm just checking to make sure that everything is in properly and nothing is hanging out, and it all looks good to me. So I'm just using my blade just to go to the side and just trim those areas, and then also onto the top, just to make it look nice and neat and doesn't look as if, you know, I've botched it up. And this is what my cupboard looks like after I put some bling wrap on them. I actually use 3 of the 2-meter bling wrap I got from Home Bargain. They're 59p each, so I end up using 3, and this is what it looks like. Also, this is what my cupboard looks like. I'd actually DIY the cupboard prior and just start putting back my room together. So this is what my room looks like after I put it back together. As I said before, I DIY most of the stuff in my room. I did the makeup table. I actually got those shelves from IKEA and I just converted them into a table. The hanging shelf I got from my neighbors. They were doing some stuff at home and they had extra stuff, so I just asked them for it. The mirror I got from Home Bargain for $4.99. And then this taller makeup stand I actually did myself. The Chanel boxes I got from work, and then I just DIY them into stuff that I can put my nail polish on. The mirror back again, I actually just put some picture frame just to extend it. And then also the curtains, as I said before, I did those. And then there are the lovely knobs that I got from Home Bargain. I actually got 2 packs. These are the lovely lilies my boyfriend gave me. And then this is the cupboard that I'd spent almost all night trying to you know, get back and make it look as if it's a marble. But just look at everything, it looks really nice. I'm really impressed with myself. Again, there's the cupboard. I did went ahead, as I said before, and put the bling wrap, and I ended up using 3, and they're 2 meters, so I ended up using 3. The lamps in the room, I actually got those from IKEA. Well, I didn't personally buy them, I found them. And they turned out to be working, so I'm enjoying them. The pillows I got from Primark and also from B&M. The throw I got from Primark, it was on sale for £5. And it just works in well with everything in my room. The flowers I also got from Home Bargain was $2.99. And then the rug on the floor I got from B&M for $7.99. The stool you see there, I actually DIY'd it. The cushion I got from £3 from Primark, and then the stool I got from IKEA. And from this angle, you can actually see everything. The candle stand I got from my favorite, the Poundland in Turnpike Lane. And then there's the stool. I actually just hot glue the cushion onto the stool, and it does not look like an IKEA stool. It looks like something you would charge for like £20 or something. So yeah, there you go. I really like the way everything turned out, and I just used the coffee and the biscuit just to give it a little bit of a detail, and I'm enjoying the results of almost staying up all night just to get it done. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video soon. Thank you. Bye.